Hi everyone, Tony with Feed Your Creativity. Today we are in DC at Fahrney's. We're here for the DC Supershow pen show that starts technically today, but we're playing tourist and visiting Fahrney's today. And I can't wait, we're gonna do a store tour. And their inventory is gonna be a little light because they've already packed up for the DC pen show. Fahrney's is gonna be at DC. And I can't wait to check it out. This is the Willard Hotel location. They haven't been in this location since 1950, and Fahrney's has been open almost 100 years. They opened in 1929. So much history here. I can't wait to learn about it, go check out what pens and ink and what kind of trouble we can get into. Let's go feed your creativity. I love my Diplomat arrows, and I've been looking at this one. This is really beautiful in person. I love this chrome. That is really stunning. That is definitely on my wish list. That is gorgeous. And I love these Piniter boxes. They actually come with writing envelopes and cards with them. That really shocked me. It was really beautiful. I really like my Piniter too. I only have one. Hopefully I'll get another one. I really like one of their demonstrators. I really love the look of those. Schaefer, Esterbrook. This Fantasia Junior Esterbrook is on my list. I have the Twinkle, but my Birthstone Sapphire, so I really wanted that Fantasia one. Yeah. Oh wow, and they still have one of the Back to the Land ink bottles. I haven't seen those anywhere. And then Retro 51 owns Fahrney's. They have their own exclusive retros. They look gorgeous. 20th anniversary Cherry Blossom Fahrney's, and then they have one for the Willard Hotel where they are currently. That is just stunning. Last year at the DC Pen Show, Fahrney's had one of their retros that was a fountain pen that had an italic nib. I don't know if they have that now, but I'm definitely gonna ask. And a huge shout out to Alina, store manager, for letting us in early and filming. Thank you. Look at this. This is gorgeous. Wow, look at that engraved nib. We got Lamy, tons of Lamys. Wow, it's really nice. They have rollerball. They have the fountain pens. I love the demos. Demos, can't go wrong with a demonstrator. Oh, I love my little Pico. I have the neon yellow. Ooh, what is this?
Diplomat Magnum is one of my new favorite Star Wars pens. Everybody's always like Metropolitan, and some people don't want to know what it was like this year.
I really like that.
Yeah.
I have a Magnum, but it's fine or extra fine. It was the chrome one. It's like all pretty chrome. That's why I had gotten it, but...
You don't like the nib as much?
No, I like this one. This one's really nice.
Well, I guess it's just meant to be where you need to buy a Magnum and possibly transport that nib to one to the other.
That's really nice. And this is Flex?
No.
No.
This is just their stock. Nothing's advertised as Flex. It's just their standard nib, and like I picked it up. I'm like, we have a lot of these.
Yeah.
What's interesting about them, and it's that nib. It's all in
And does the ink keeps in it?
It does so far. I mean, these are our testers, and I've been letting them sit around for about a week, occasionally without people playing with it. It's been pretty good.
Ooh, purple.
There's so many colors.
Purple's pretty.
So many colors, and it goes from extra fine all the way to medium.
Oh wow, that's a fine. That writes really nice.
So it's like almost as great as he got up there.
Also a fine. I really like the purple.
I was expecting. So when he came in, I'm like,
oh,
hello
might get a fine.
there. I said for so around.
That's really nice. They have David Oscarson pens as well. This one's really beautiful. I love the guilloche work. It has a lot of talented artisans working on all of these. And they have several sailors. I really love this poetry series they did. It's really beautiful. I like these pearl series as well. The pearl's really pretty. Who doesn't like a little shimmer in their life? Oh, and they have a testing that you could try all the nibs. They have the music, the zoom, broad, medium, medium fine, fine, and extra fine to try out. That's awesome. They have the kimono series and the ninjas. Ooh, I found the retro room. Look at these. Oh, that's incredible. Oh, and it's a pen and pencil set. Wow. I love the brushed. That is really pretty. I don't go wrong with the retro either. Star Spangled Banner. Oh, wow, yeah. Oh, I love the writing on that. That is a beautiful element to that. That is a really nice element to have, the writing on there. And I love the vintage look. Oh, I was looking at these. These were newly released. That is incredible. Kind of like pink or orange too much, but the pink is actually really stunning. I thought I was gonna like the green more. But I think the pink is way more vibrant. Oh, look. They have an Odyssey pen. Ruben and I got to see the Odyssey. In all its glory in the 15 perf 70 millimeter. That's really nice. I've been looking at these senses. I love the massive grip. They look so comfortable to write with. Oh, and rottering. Ooh, 0.5 pencil. I love the silver though. Got some notebooks, Rodeo. I love Rodeo. Rodeo is one of my favorites. Clairefontaine and Rodeo. We have retro book. I also have Gravitas pens. These have been on my wish list for a very long time. They still are, and now you can get them right here at Fahrney's, which is really convenient instead of going overseas. But I love the chrome. I like that silver one next to it. That etching is gorgeous. And then you have Ultim. Can't go wrong with Ultim.
And that's going to be like the roller balls, which is what's unfortunate, but it's the presidential seal. And then we have the Constitution pencils.
Ooh.
And then of course, just in case, pocket Constitution. Because you know, you need to know your rights.
That's right.
When you're walking the streets in DC. But it's so cute.
Oh, that is nice.
In the related document.
Wow.
The Virginia.
And it's readable.
Yes.
Even at that small.
Indeed, it's quite legible.
I love that.
President is unable to discharge the powers and duties of his office. Therefore, Congress shall decide the issue of assembly within 48 for that purpose.
Wow.
I wonder.
You pair it with your pen. I was looking at this Odyssey one too. That's beautiful.
Every time I see that pen, I think of Hercules and the Muses. Remember?
They dance on behind the vases.
Yes.
It does look like that. That's cool.
Yeah.
Tell me that, like, I keep telling them they just need to put my dog on the pen and I'll buy it. And this is pretty close. Pretty close.
Yeah. That's great. Look at these Heinz pens. That sparkle definitely catches your eye. Oh, this one. That one is more my size. That's really beautiful. It's so fun that you can get big brands as well as penmaker pens here at Fahrney's. Got a bunch of ink. Ooh, Fahrney's Everwrite ink. I really like their ink. I have a couple colors. That's nice. They have cartridge now.
We'll have either shower.
Can't go wrong with Waterman.
Oh. Well, just tell me that.
This looks like a really pretty blue, Wonderland blue.
This whole.
I'm really liking these small J. Urban bottles too, and that has shimmer in it. Wow. I didn't know they did the smaller for their shimmer too.
Ultimately,
that's really nice. The blue is really pretty. Can't go wrong with Pelican. And I really like how broad their nibs are. Oh, that one's beautiful. That's really classic looking. Just that simple cream and black. That's really elegant. 670. Ooh, 14 karat nib. I really like the look of that. I don't know, this diplomat is still calling my name. Wow.
That's the 10 earrings.
Wow, rollerball. That is a wild rollerball. Is it full?
It's really nice.
Wow. That's beautiful.
Oh, it's Game of Thrones.
Oh.
Yeah. Sorry, I have no iron drum for it to rest on. I mean, the pen is mightier than the sword, as they say.
That's right.
One of the reasons we
Yeah, that's incredible. The protective film is over it now.
These people.
Wow, that just flows. That's really beautiful.
They tested their from their quality assurance and set it up on this machine. For 2 miles, it just right. They tested and there's a lot of loops swirls throughout it. It's too kind of interesting.
Test it for 2 miles.
You know they're good.
I love how it's textured, but you don't feel it. It's coated. Yeah, look at that. Wow.
Definitely evokes the glacier effect.
Yep.
Pretty.
Very.
It's more of like a eucalyptus.
Oh.
The steps you need to take.
How much will not?
Pick it up and take a whiff.
You should be fortunate that I'm
I
giving
promise you won't be
blueprint
disappointed.
For a closed sale.
That is
I'm
so
giving you a
nice.
step-by-step, you know,
That is such like a
elimination
clean scent.
process. Yeah.
Wow.
Sagey,
Yeah.
botanical, not too overwhelming.
Wow.
Yeah, as soon as I heard you.
That's incredible. I didn't know they had something like that.
Atlanta.
I love the look.
Sharpen your pencil, you're gonna get a nice
Nice.
little whiff of it too. So you're gonna have the textile experience with a little bit of like memory. Imagine you start remembering last time this was happening in my life as you're sharpening your pencil.
That's incredible. Yeah, they're ink bottles. I love how it's already tilted for you.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Apparently Martin has a few people that he's working with.
very helpful when you're filling your pen. Extremely
Gets rid of the
helpful.
last drop.
Yep.
Without having to put an ink miser, and like some of the ink misers are standing, so you have to make sure you don't accidentally
You're not
pour
rocking
too
it
much.
over.
I'm quite accident prone, so I appreciate when a company gives of that.
And it's a solid bottle too. And look beautiful on the desk. Yeah.
It's classy.
Yes. Very. It's a nice color too. Electric orange. Look at this retro notebook. Oh, it's like a wallet.
We saw those at
Oh,
Little
look
Craft
at
Fest.
that. Yeah. Wow. I love these tiny pens. I love that tiny retro. Wow. That's really beautiful.
Hello, my name is Drew Brown. You are in Fahrney's Pens at 1408 F Street Northwest in Washington, D.C., which is interesting because 1408 F Street is where Mr. Fahrney opened up his first store. I mean, he was doing stuff from 1929, but his first like store with like a door and stuff was this room, this 1408 F Street. So we are back home in a lot of ways, which is super exciting. Fahrney's has existed in a lot of different places around DC since 1929, but this one specifically is very, very exciting for us, very exciting for the Willard Hotel, which is the building we are in. So it's a fantastic collaborative opportunity. It looks really nice. It's smaller than our last store, but we've got the history. We've got that connection to Mr. Fahrney himself. And we're really excited to be open, ready and willing and eager and excited to have you walk in any of our 3 doors and visit us here. And buy some pens maybe if you want, but there's other stuff too. Walking around the Willard is amazing. The old Epic Grill is amazing. The Hamilton's amazing. We've got Giordano's right there if you're a fiend for cheese, which I am. We've got other bars and cafes all across. We've got monuments everywhere you look. So lots of things to do. Fahrney's can really be a destination on your way to other destinations, or the hub of a bunch of different destinations. It can be whatever you want it to be. But if you are going to visit, we were going to be happy. So consider doing that. Consider going to the DC Pen Show, where we will also be this weekend. And we will be in the main-ish area in that dead-end hallway with Pilot near Van Ness. So I'm loud and obnoxious, so you won't miss me. But if you don't go there, come here, or do both. That'd be great. And we also have a website. You can check that out, farneyspens.com, Instagram, YouTube, all the things. That would make me very happy. But most importantly, keep on writing and enjoy.
I got my haul from Fahrney's. I did end up getting those scented pencils. Couldn't leave them there. The Caran d'Ache scented pencils. Those had to come home with me. And I loved that. Scented pencils in a polar setting, the divine flower and its spicy notes warm the frosty air of a winter's night. Those had to come home with me. I'm so excited to have those. They're already sharpened, although I did bring a pencil sharpener, but I can't wait to use that. The smell is really, really nice. I wish you guys can smell it. Come to Fahrney's and smell them. And then I ended up getting a Diplomat and a nice strawberry iced matcha that is keeping me cool. That is quite good from the cafe at the Willard. But I ended up getting this really nice Diplomat. I got it in a medium. I love the metal. And purple. And I got purple cartridges from Faber-Castell to put in it so I can write with it right away while I'm out and about in DC today. Retro 51 had a Constitution rollerball and pencil, and then they were also selling a miniature Constitution. They have a larger one as well. That was a brown cover. So that was our haul from Fahrney's. Thank you so much to Alina and Drew and Kyle. Thank you guys for having us out today. I love this space. Congrats on coming back to the Willard and going back home. It is stunning. Definitely come and check them out. The hotel is really, really beautiful. The history is incredible. History everywhere in DC, but it's really, really nice to see it, to be a part of it, to experience it. So thank you guys so much. Until next time, please like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.